Dead cat? Bakit dead cat? Is this made out of... Maganda yung quality ng plastic niya. Oh, wow! May bag na. Ha! Our favorite silica gel. Eto na! Ah! Ganun din yung plastic. Very sturdy. Very high quality. Tapat. Ah, ano to? May case na siya.
Yes.
Ah, so ano to?
Another one.
Ano? Double case. Oh, ang ganda oh. Hindi mo kita yung zipper. Wala akong nails. Wala akong pang ganon-ganon. Feeling ko mababagsak ko. Safe! Ito na yun. Ito na yun. Ah! Ngayon lang nakahawak na to. May light! Oh! Ano to?
It's the wide angle lens attachment.
Nice! May
That's a dead
pang
cat.
mic?
Yes.
Dead cat?
Windscreen. Yeah.
Bakit dead cat? Is this made out of
No.
dead cat?
Synthetic fur.
Let's put it back in the bag. There's the mic. Eee!
It has a magnet there.
Ta-dang! This one goes... Ooh! Yeah! Oh! A tripod! Tripod!
Restraint.
Yan lang ang laman ng bag. Wow! Feeling ko may nakatingin sa akin na mini robot na minomonitor ako. To the left, to the left, to the right, to the right.
Pwede mo siyang gawing selfie.
Selfie.
Ayan. Sa akin na nakatapat.
Oo nga! It's a selfie! Ayan, selfie. Bow. Yee!
Kawit mo yung ilaw.
Ah! May sound effect siya. Okay, paano ko isiset yun? I don't know. Ito, ano to? C. What is C? Ay!
Capture yun. Naka-attach ba na maayos? Lagay mo lang na maayos.
Okay, recenter gimbal. Ooh! Ah! And then my levels yung light. 3 levels. Temperature? Oh, I love that. Gano'n kabilis? Nice. Happy? Yes.